Hey friend, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I've got a side hustle for you. You can try with both your computer and your mobile phone. I've had requests from a lot of you asking me to share a side hustle you can try with your phone. I've conducted my research in this regard and found out that the most viable option for now, because I'm still gonna keep on checking till I find something authentic for you. So the viable option is online surveys. But here is the thing, I've tried a number of sites and mobile apps, and I cannot share a side hustle with you that will take you a decade to actually earn $1. I can't do that to you. But hey, I tried out this particular website and decided to share my 2 cents with you. Okay, so let's do this. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up so it can reach a wider audience. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you stay updated for each time I post content on the channel. Because I'm thinking of making this a series where I try out popular side hustles found on YouTube to see whether or not they actually work and whether you can make extra money from them. I'm going to be using my computer for this particular one, but I promise it will work if you use your mobile phone. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. So when you click on the link, it will bring you here. This is the website. Surveyo. Respond to surveys and earn up to 160,000 monthly. According to the website, they said it's possible. I also need to tell you that I just started using this website and I've answered just 2 questions so far because I've not been consistent, but you should be consistent. Okay, so once you're ready to sign up, you have to answer this question first. How much would you like to earn each day? There is 16,000, 32,000, 32 and more. So you can choose any of them, 16, 32, 32 and more. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using 32 and more. Okay, so click on it. In your last name, your first name, and your email address. I'm going to be using this email address. It's different from the one I used for the main account. Key in your password as well. You choose your country of residence. Okay, Nigeria. Choose your date of birth. 28 November. Oh, okay. So 28 November is my birthday. Please do not forget to say a prayer for me on that day, okay? You can even start from this video. Say a prayer for me in the comment section. And also let me know where you're watching this video from, okay? And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and tell me I have subscribed in the comment. I will give you a shout out. I think it's been a while I did that. Okay, so let's move on. Once you're done, you click on continue. Okay, agree to the terms and conditions. Let's save this. This is what your dashboard will look like once you're done signing in. It says here you are a second away from starting to earn money. To be able to start your paid surveys, please complete your profile below and click submit. Let's just stay at that. Click on send. So you can see so far we have 0 naira in our account. When you've responded to lots of surveys and you get to 16,000 naira, that is when you're able to withdraw. Okay, so let's see. We have a survey here. Initially this place was reading 0, now we have 1, so let's check it out. I understand. Okay, these are the available surveys for today. Let's just try taking on. Which one should we go for? And let's go for the 92 naira. If you participate in this survey and you're successful, you will get 92 naira added to your dashboard, and this one will be 48 naira added to your dashboard if you're successful as well. So let's click on this one that is, the money is a bit bigger. Okay. Alright, so this is the first question. Are you currently living in Nigeria? Yes, I am from Nigeria. I agree. What is your postal code? Let's go. I am a woman. After what languages do you speak and understand fluently? English. Unfortunately, you did not qualify this time. You are going to see things like this, but don't fright, keep going. Let's try this one out. So this one says, share your opinion on things that matter. Start survey. Counting back from 5. What number follows 4? The way. Please select the languages in which you could like to take surveys. English, obviously. What is your gender? Female. What is your zip code? There's no plus. Nigeria. Where is... I'll just choose Osun. Please specify your current marital status. How many children do you have? None. Specify the highest level of education you completed. You have completed university. Please choose what best describes your employment status. Self-employed. Please indicate which of the following best describes your primary area of employment. Let's see. Let's use human resources. Please specify your ethnicity. I am black. What is your primary role in your organization? Owner or partner? Approximately how many employees work at your organization? 2 to 5. Okay, profile is complete. Submit. So where's my money? Are people giving me my money? Alright, let's refresh the dashboard and see if they've added something to our dashboard. Yay! See? We had 0 naira and now we have 48 naira. So you have to keep checking this website for new surveys and keep trying them and keep adding some coins to your account. Just factor it in your social media routine. Okay. Alright, so before I share my opinion about this website with you, let's check out my actual account. Okay, so this is my dashboard. I don't have any active paid surveys as of today, but this is how much I've made so far in answering just, I think, 2 questions. Have made 200 naira, 205 naira. I don't know if you can see this. I'll try to zoom it. 205 naira. So imagine I'm consistent, yeah. By now my money should have been up to 1,000. All right, so my opinion about this website, it's not a get rich quick scheme. You have to put in the work. That's why I said just factor it into your social media routine. You check it once in a while for paid surveys, and if you see any, you take it and try to answer the questions as sincere as possible. But if they tell you that the company is not looking for your demographic, do not give up. Okay, keep on checking. If they tell you that, just close it. Keep on checking, don't give up. All right, so that's it, friend. I think this is a side hustle you should really consider, and you can actually use your phone for it. It's not like the remote jobs I used to post where it's limited to just your computer. This is a different kind of side hustle, and I look forward to creating content like this, as I said earlier. So that's it, friend. If you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and families, and if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you make the decision to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to say a prayer for me in the comment section. It's my birth month, 28 November. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe and let me know in the comment section that you just subscribed. And let me know where you're watching this video from. Thank you so much for your time. See you on Saturday.